Hey guys, welcome back to Rune 16. I am your host Javonna, and today we're up for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Rune Factory 5 for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're using the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory mode because this emulator takes up a lot of damn RAM. And we're playing Rune Factory once again. I don't think I've ever played a Rune Factory game before. Good stuff. This game actually comes out next month on PC, I believe. I can't remember. Don't quote me on that. I'm sorry. Anyway, as you know, the whole point of my channel is to simply show you the progress of the YUZU emulator. And I had Rune Factory on my list for a very damn long time. So we are running everything on the default settings, and we're going to see, we do have FXA on, but other than that, we're going to see how the game performs. I don't know what to do about this. I must say, the fact that it's running at 60 FPS, this is a cutscene, but it's running at 60 FPS, which is quite impressive. Oh, I guess we're getting into combat right off the bat. Now, this is the first time I'm playing the game, so shaders will building. Obviously, the game is in Japanese, so I have no idea what's going on, but hey, it's gonna be a sweet time anyway, right? Hey, monster, are you really a monster? I don't know. Oh, I got my sword, boy. Oh crap, I actually did it. Holy crap. Oh, I hit it. Whoa. And then I started blasting. Bro. So if you know Japanese, you got Rune Factory 5. To be fair, I don't know if this is English subbing on anywhere around here. I just got the first one. I was like, I'll take this one and see what happens. I mean, what could possibly go wrong, right? Yeah, I want to just test the games out. And I do realize I haven't been testing Switch very much lately. YUZU, I have been taking a backseat to. I just don't know games to really test on it. I question a lot of the games. The VRAM usage is not bad. Obviously, and honestly, this is using less RAM than normal. Trust me. This is using less RAM than it normally. Normally, I get hit with so much RAM usage. Over 8 gigs. Pokemon Legends Arceus still like over 8. It was ridiculous. But this is running fine. I'm hurt, lady, from carrying this game on my shoulders. But yeah, I believe this does come out next month or something. And we'll see. We'll test it then. Maybe PC. Maybe I'll test it then. Who knows? I do test the obscure games. I play a lot of games, guys. I don't know at this point. I don't know. I don't keep. There's too much to keep track of at this point. I know of every franchise in the world. There's too much to keep track of. But I do like how this is performing. This is great. Now I am using a capture card to run this game, so everything you're seeing is how the game actually plays. There will be no issues going forward, like anything with the recording actually slowing down any of it. No, that's not it. But it has to build shaders. At least this is the first time I'm testing the game out. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, it really helps me out when you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to be the biggest benchmark channel out there, guys. I want to have big benchmarks out there. I want to be the go-to place. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're into integrated graphics or emulation. I'll show you how to run games on lower end hardware, the latest and newest games that come out as well. I don't think I could ever get into a Rune Factory game. It's like Harvest Moon, isn't it? But anyway, there's not much else for me to say. The game's running fine. It's building in shaders quite nicely. It builds in the shaders and the game just plays, which is always great. So yeah, just enjoy the rest of the gameplay and I'll see you guys next time. Now, but that is crazy. Imagine using 2.5 gigs of VRAM. It's going to 3 gigs of VRAM. Are you insane? For an emulated game? 3 gigs of VRAM? Really? I guess that's where all the texture, the shaders need to go, right? Damn. They ain't playing. You know, I now realize to myself, is there a way to skip this? Dude, if there was a way to skip this whole time. I want to walk around a bit, but I don't know if that's gonna be a thing. I'll see you guys next time.
こらこらこら、私の患者を乱暴に扱うんじゃない。うん、聞こえてた。
すみません。はい。
どうしよう。
どうしよう。
おいおい、何言ってんだ。
ダメだ。まったくもう。違うもん。うむ。
ありがとう。
ちょっと。
Oh my gosh, I thought that would never end. Cutscenes, man. These cutscenes, they'll get you. They'll get you, man. They'll get you. What are you? What? Oh, okay. I'll just run away from that real quick. I don't know what's going on. Let me go outside, please. Please let me go. No, just let me leave. I just wanna go. Oh snap! I tried to snap you there.